dinala mo dito yan si Angelina?
Sunod-sunod na ang report na mga ginawa mong perwisyo dito sa school. Una na riyan, ang aking basag na bintana.
But it's not my fault, Mr. Prince Epal.
It's principal, not Prince Epal. At ano yung sinasabi mong it's not your fault? Ikaw ang tinuro ng mga kaklase mo na bumato nito?
It's Brenda's fault. See, I got this rock and I was gonna make it batoy to her. But she made ilag so it hit the window. It got basag. It's not my fault.
Angelina! Sir, I think kailangan ho yata ni Angelina ng guidance at saka ng mga advice.
Hindi lang advice and guidance. Ang kailangan ng batang yan, matinding parusa. At ano naman masasabi mo, Angelina? Doon sa pinalo mo ng cellphone sa ulo?
Mr. Prince Epal,
Principal! Principal! It's not Prince Epal!
That's what I said. I can't use my cell phone. My classmate broke it. His ulo is so tigas, so my cell phone got broken. And my dad had to buy a new cell phone. It's so expensive. See, it's not my fault. It's his fault.
What? Ano? Miss Cruz? Can you believe the reasoning of this kid?
Yun nga po, kaya nga ako kailangan niya ng guidance niyo eh.
Puro ka guidance! Puro ka guidance! Ikaw ang pag-guidance dyan eh! Huh?
Sir, nandito na po yung si Alan Gomez.
Yan! Yan ang ginulpi ng batang ito!
Angelina, stop it.